Piemonte is a significant wine-producing region in the world. We are delighted to present our course on the Piemonte wine region. We have included every detail so that you can pass your wine examination with confidence. We'll show you where to focus your attention and how to quickly recall all the subregions and wine terms. We searched the digital platform for all important details about the Piemonte region in order to share it with you. We are passionate about wine education and sharing wine resources with you. For all wine professionals, we've created a modern, simple to understand, and informative presentation. All of these resources will be available to you. Additionally, our course includes a section on pronunciation for each subregion. Besides this, you can download a PDF version of all of our resources. Register for this course now and let us allow you to expand your wine knowledge.